What's up, guys? My name is Sa200 and welcome back to my channel. I'm about to turn on my welding machine. It's a Sa200. It's 90 degrees outside. One thing that I have add-on my gas tank, it's a Marble mystery oil. I learned this from Austin Ross on YouTube. Pretty good information and pretty good stuff too. So I'm about to go turn on my welding machine. Let's see how it goes. So right here I put these lights by my magneto. Somewhere around there these lights heat up and it warms up. So I'm gonna leave it there for a couple minutes, 10-30 minutes, and I'll be back to turn it on. So right here I'm gonna check the gas tank, make sure there's no ice. And I did check the lines as well, they're not frozen, they're good. So to make sure the machine warms up good, put in a high idle and I'm gonna leave it running for 30 minutes or an hour.